This is the presentation for Group 4 from Section Topaz. Problem: there is not enough storage for students to keep their valuables like notebook, books, and miscellaneous. Another problem that is bound to our current armchairs today is that it's too small for big students. Product: multi-purpose armchair, mixed with cabinet and a sliding cabinet seat. Solution: our solution is to make a multi-purpose chair inspired from the armchair that we are currently using and add a cabinet and the sliding cabinet to sit on. Materials we are using for our product. Angle bar. An angle bar, also known as L-bracket, is a metal bracket used to provide stability to structures. It is often installed within or along the edges of beams and other platforms that may not have enough capacity to carry the expected load. Square bar. Square bar is a solid metal bar that has a square cross-section. These bars are widely used in many industries for general assembly or manufacturing. They are also used for general repairs of plant equipment and railings. Plywood. We are using the plywood for the seat and backrest. Sliding rail. It guides each individual level of a drawer to open and close. Drawer slide are devices which enable individual drawers to slide in and out of the drawer unit, allowing users to easily access the objects contained within.